or I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, right here. Okay, or let's see. Um, I'm just gonna put it. Let's see, right here. Okay, this one right there. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna save it, and instead of you come here open, you don't have to do that. We can just open here and then refresh it. So you're gonna see the place we put that in case you don't get it. Take a look. You see this one? It's kind of like bring this down. Look at it. You see this? The Prime Minister is the head of government and the most powerful person in Canadian politics. Take a look. Let me refresh. Take a look. Right? Now, if I go here, this is the place I put it. Let me rid of it. I'm gonna rid of it. I'm gonna rid of that. And then I'm gonna save it. Okay? Then I'm gonna go back, refresh it. You see here? The Prime Minister is the head of the government and the most powerful person in Canadian politics. Okay? So now when we go back, okay, when you take a look, there's no change. There's a change here. Now I'm gonna put the BR again. Okay, that's a character. Okay, so if I put it, I write it. Okay, BR. Okay, this is the one, and enter bracket, right? But make sure that you have the closing. Okay, that's one. Okay, now when we save it, we go here. Okay, and we're gonna refresh it. You see the change right there. If you, in case you don't get it, I'm gonna do from let's see. Okay, here you see the official head of the Canadian government is the king or the queen of the Great Britain. Okay, so you see here, I'm gonna use the character BR right here. You're gonna see the change. Okay, just to show the demo. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna use it right here. Okay, we're gonna use this element BR, enter. Let's see. Okay, and then we're gonna save it. Okay, and then we're gonna go there. You see here, right? When we refresh it, you see right there, it's look like to bring it down. Okay, so now we're gonna use the other element. It's called HR. Okay, or the character, in case you don't get it. So if you take a look, the BR, okay, it's like you add a line break inside of the middle of the paragraph, something like that. Okay, this is the one I'm talking about. This is the one I'm talking about. Okay, this is the one I'm talking about. Now we're gonna use the HR, okay, character. So the HR character, it's like it's like a line, the horizontal line. Okay, so when you take a look here, let's see, we're gonna put it right here. Okay, above of Constitution Act 1982. Okay, so when we go there, let's see. So we're gonna put it right here, right there. Okay, let's put like this. Oh, sorry. Let's put. I'm just gonna write that way, you guys. Okay. So now I'm just gonna write this HR, and okay, now we're gonna save it. When we open, you see nothing's here, but we need to refresh it. This one, okay, you see it's right there. So the HR is the one. So in HR, if you take a look, we don't have open and closing. We have only like closing. If you take a look, we don't have an open one, open tag. We don't have it. Okay, so we're gonna go step by step. Okay, so just take a look, practice. In case you don't get it, try again. Okay, so I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. Or let's say we wanna put it, let's see, another one right here, for example. Let's say we wanna put another one right here. Let's see, right here. Okay, and then let's see. Oh, what I can do here, I can just put like this, and then okay, now okay, and then save it. Okay, and we're gonna go back. Okay, refresh it. Another one here. Okay, so I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. Keep practicing. Okay, and in case you don't get it, just keep practicing. Okay, so now we're gonna look at strong. Okay, we're gonna look at the character. It's called strong. So strong indicate that its context has a stronger importance. Okay, and then after that we're gonna use it's called it's a EM. Okay, so EM and indicate the empathy that the study changed. Okay, the meaning of a sentence. So I'm gonna go with you guys step by step, and then after that we're gonna look at how to use the block quote and the quotation. Okay, so we're gonna go step by. I'm gonna go with you guys, like I say, step by step. Okay, so here let's see. Let's put. Let's see the king. Let's put right there. Okay, we're gonna write this strong. This is the one. Okay, and then now this one, the strong one, not this. Okay, strong, this. Okay, and you see we have another one here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut this. Okay, cut it, and then we're gonna paste it right here. Okay, and we're gonna save it. Okay, and then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna refresh it. You see, this is the king. Or so we're gonna give a little bit of space there. This one. Okay, and we're gonna do same thing here for queen. Okay, so let's save it. If you go there, you take a look, you see the king. That's you see the way it look like black there, a little bit of strong black. Yes. Now let's see, if we go back, we're gonna do same thing here. Don't copy the code, don't copy and paste it, no. So here, okay, so you see this one, this is the one, right? So if I put here, let's see, strong. Okay, enter. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, let's see, the queen. Okay, we're gonna write the queen right there. Okay, now we're gonna save it. Okay, and we're gonna go here, refresh it. You see here, the official head of the Canadian government is the king or queen of the Great Britain. Okay, or the queen. Okay, all right, so we're gonna use em, that's element, the element or the character. Okay, so let's see, let's well, I can just put it right here. Okay, right here. Okay, right there. em. Okay, and then close it. It's right there, so we're just gonna cut this. We're gonna cut it. Okay, we're gonna put it right there in the middle here. Okay, right there, and save it. Okay, and then we're gonna go here. Nothing's there, right? And then refresh it. You see the way it's look? It's look like italics. You want to take a look? You see the way it's look like? Now, in case you don't get it, I'm gonna bring it a little bit bigger. I want you to see the way it's look like. You see here? That's how it look like. You see? All right. So I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. Okay? You don't get it? Ask. So I'm just gonna add one of let's see the text here. Let's see. I'm gonna put H2. Okay. Let's see. Dream. Okay. And the paragraph. Enter. I have a dream. I have a dream. Black, white, Latino, people, okay. Asian and Australian are one nation. Okay, something like that. Okay, now I'm gonna use the character or the element called Q. Okay, I just create something like that, that way you guys gonna have an idea, you know what I mean? So to do that, what I have to do here is let's see, I'm just gonna put it right here. Let's see, yeah, I'm just gonna put it right here. So Q. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna paste it right here in the middle. It's gonna go inside there. Okay, right there, and then I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna open this. When you take a look, nothing's there, so you have to come here, look at it right there. Okay, I have a dream. Now when you take a look, this is the one I'm talking about. It's right there. Okay, it's like the quote. You quote something. Okay, so if I read of it, you're not gonna see it. So let me read of it, because you have to. You see this? I'm gonna read of this. Okay, I'm gonna rid of it, and I want you to see the differences. Okay, so I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save this. Okay, and I'm gonna go here. Right, you see the way it look like. So when I refresh it, you see it's not there. The code is not there. So I have to go back, and I have to go right here, and I have to type Q, enter right there, and then I have to copy this. I mean cut it. I'm not copying it, but I mean cut this. I'm gonna go right here in the middle there, and I'm gonna paste it right there, and then I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna go here. You see the way it look like here? Refresh it. Yes, this is how it look like. This is the one I'm talking about. Okay, this one. So if you want to see it, right click here, go here, and you go here. This is the one I'm talking about, this one. Okay, there's another way you can code in the browser. You can code here in the browser, but we're gonna go step by step. Okay, step by step. So, and let's see. So we use block code if you want to code something like longer. Okay, like the element is used for the block code. The one is right. Block code is used for the long code. Okay, that take up like a retired paragraph in your uh, whatever you try to create it. Now for the short, we use Q. Okay, Q is used for the short code. Okay, so now we're gonna use abbreviation. Okay, for abbreviation, let's see. Hmm? Let's see. Let's put uh, let's see, Pindi. Let's see, demo. Okay, let's put let's put prof. Okay, prof demo. Let's say Pindi is a software developer a let's see electrician electrician and a business man, something like that. You know what I mean? So, or if we want, instead of that, we can put a and a go no miss. Okay. Now we're gonna type P, the paragraph, enter. We're gonna highlight this, got it. We're gonna paste it right there. Okay. And we're gonna save it. When we go here, if you take a look, nothing's there. We're gonna refresh this. Now you see the prof Temo Pindi is a software developer, an electrician, and a economist. Right now, we're gonna go back. So we can put let's see here inside. Okay, inside here, for example, here I can put let's see Brevier. Okay, and then title, title, and then equal professor. Okay, and then good, and then this. Okay, now when you take a look, you see this prof. I can just cut it. Okay, cut it, and then I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna save it. You're gonna see like there's nothing really changed there. You see it's fresher. You see this? You see that the differences? Yes, because I want you to see. Okay, now we're gonna use something it's called the seat. Okay, so in case you don't get it, it's okay. So it's like a citation. Well, I'm gonna use the citation and the definition. Okay, so we're gonna go step by step. Okay, so if we come here and then we're gonna go, let's see, right here, and let's see, let's see, brief. Let's see. Oh, well, again, it's good. Okay. Okay. So something like that. Or if we want, we can just put okay. And when we save it, we go here, refresh it. You see, we have this here, but no, like, since we don't put any of element there, you don't see any change there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go here. We're gonna type, so let's see. We're gonna type, let's see. Or what I can do, just gonna get it here, cut it, okay, and we're gonna come right here. Let's see, right there. Where we put it? We're gonna put it just right here in the bottom, right here, and we're gonna type a paragraph, enter, and we're gonna put it there, save, and then we're gonna go here. Here, we're gonna type this, enter, and then when we are there, we're gonna just copy this. We're gonna cut this, okay, and we're gonna put it right there, okay, and then save, okay, and then we go there, take a look, nothing is there, fresh, it's right there. It look like italics when you take a look. It's look like this one if you take a look. It's like similar, okay. Now we're gonna do the, let's see, DFN, okay, It's just like for it's like the first time you explain something new, terminology, something like that. Okay, so let's see. Le Haro and Makala city in Kinshasa. Okay, and we just gonna save it, and we're gonna come here and refresh. It's right here, but we need to use that character. Okay, so we're gonna go here, we're gonna type paragraph, enter, and then we're just gonna cut this and put inside. Okay, we're gonna save it, and when we go here fresh, see it looks the same, but we need we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna use we're gonna go right here, we're gonna type let's see DFN. Okay, and then enter. It's right there. So we're just gonna get this Makala, Selembao and Makala. Just cut it, and then I'm gonna put here, just something like that, just to give you guys an idea. And then we save it, and then we're gonna go right here, and then refresh it. You see how they look like? Okay, so now when we use the B, the element B, you're gonna see the elements gonna appear on the balls. Okay, so let's see, let's type B, for example, here. Okay, and then let's see the element B, enter. This is the one. Okay, we're gonna cut this. Okay, we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna paste it right here. Okay, and then save it. Okay, and then we're gonna go right here. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and then refresh. You see how it's look like? Okay, now if we go back, and then we're gonna use also the I, the element I. Okay, so when you're gonna see when we use the element I, it's gonna make the characters look like italics. Okay, so let's say for example, let's use here. Okay, I'm gonna use I here, the element, enter, and then I'm gonna cut this one, Savannah. I'm gonna put right here in the middle. Okay, and then we're gonna save it. So when we go here, you take a look, refresh, you see the way Savannah looks like, and we're gonna go back, we're gonna do same thing for drum. We're gonna do I, enter, and then we're gonna cut it. Okay, and then we're gonna put right here. Okay, and save it, and we come here, this is the one, this is the one, and refresh it. You see how they look like? Okay, so I just want to show you guys the differences. Now we're gonna look at the subscript, the superscript and the subscript. That way you guys gonna have an idea how they look like. Okay, so now we're gonna do here, let's see, superscript, script, and subscript. Okay, now here, see, here we're gonna type P element, enter. We're gonna cut it. Okay, gonna cut this, we're gonna paste it right inside, we're gonna save it, and we're gonna go here. let's see, refresh. If you take a look, nothing really changed there when you take a look here. Okay, now we're gonna go back. What we're gonna do here, you see here and here inside there, we're gonna type the element called this one. Okay, not p, that's one, and enter. So we're gonna put like this. Okay, and then we're gonna get this one, we're gonna cut this. Okay, and then we're gonna put right there in the middle, right there. Okay, put it right there. Okay, and save it. When we save that, we go here, refresh it. You see the differences? Okay, now if we go back and we want let's see, if you want, let's say for example, let's see, here, you see here, all we have to do, come in, tap this, enter. Now we're gonna get that 2. Okay, you see this 2? Okay, we're just gonna tap we're gonna rewrite it right here on the inside. Okay, and then save and fresh. You see right there. Okay, or we can also do like this if you want. We can do like this. Let's see, paragraph, enter. We can put 3, and we put sub, enter, and then we're gonna put, let's say, maybe 2. Okay, and then save. We're gonna go here, refresh. You see? Okay, and then if you want, here we can put equal if you want to. Okay, right there, and okay, I'm just giving you guys an example. Okay, that way you know. Now we're gonna go back and then we're gonna do this one. So we're gonna type paragraph, enter. We're gonna cut this here and we're gonna save it. We're gonna go back, fresh, nothing changing. So we're gonna go back, and then when we are there, you see here, we're just gonna type here, we're gonna type this. Okay, this command. Okay, enter this one. Okay, and then in the middle we're gonna put 1. Okay, and then save. We go here, refresh, right there. It's like down. Okay, or if you want to, we can put like this, paragraph, enter. Let's put 2000 maybe 6, and we're gonna put sub, this one, enter. Let's see, we can put 1. Okay, and then save, and we're gonna go back, refresh, right there. Okay, just to give you guys an idea, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna do the white space. Okay, so white space. Okay, now let's see, let's put paragraph, white paragraph, enter. I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, I'm just gonna copy let's see, I'm just gonna copy this one. Okay, no, I'm just gonna copy it. I don't want to cut that, but just gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, All right, and we're gonna save it. Okay, when we go here, okay, refresh it, you're gonna see we have the text here. Now we're gonna do the space. Okay, so let's say for example I put a space like this. You see the way I put the space, and I come here I do another space. Okay, and here I put another space. Okay, let's see, let's bring this like this one like this. Okay, this one like this one, let's see, like this. Okay, this one, let's see, like this. Okay, this one like this. Okay, let's put it. Right, so when we save it, okay, we save it, we go here, we refresh it, nothing, you see the way they look like, nothing really like it's gonna make it like change the way they look like. No, it's not gonna change, even though we do. No, it's still the same thing. Okay, don't change the text inside. Okay, it doesn't change it. Okay, so all right, you see the way they look far away. See the way they look like. Je m'appelle Temo Guilimpindi. Je suis angolais, congolais et canadien. Je suis né au Congo. Okay, so yeah, so when you take a look, let me get it for you guys again. This is the one, the text I got it. This is the one. Okay, this is the one I'm talking about. This one. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so when I paste it the way I did, okay, so I move it like that. I move them like this. Okay, like this. It's not gonna affect it. Like it's not gonna make any change. Okay, like this. So when I save it, when I save this, no change. It's not gonna change anything there. Okay? Not really, no. Like you see the way the text they are, it doesn't really change inside. Okay. So now we're gonna look at the address. If I wanna add my address, let's say I live in Calgary, for example. I live in Calgary. So if I put tweet something like this, let's see, John Street, okay, Calgary, something like that. I'm just giving you guys an example, okay, and let's see my email address. Let's say Timo, let's see, Canada at gmail.com. Okay, and then I save it. Okay, when we come here, refresh it, you're gonna see my email and the address is there. Right now, when we go to let's see, we type P, paragraph, enter. Okay, and then I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna cut it right there, and same thing I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna type P for paragraph, I'm gonna cut it. Okay, and then I'm gonna paste it inside, save it. Okay, so when I go here, refresh, okay, you see, but doesn't really we need to add some of the element inside. So for the address for the 3310 John Street, Calgary, that's okay. But for the email, we need to do some changing there. We need to do something there inside. So for email, what do we have to do here? You see there? So we have to type the AL character, enter, right? So now you see we have this email address. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut it. Now we're gonna go here inside. You see here inside, we're gonna tap mail. Okay, we tap it like that, and then 2. Okay, and then don't forget to put this. Okay, and then we're gonna paste it our email address like that. Okay, and then we're gonna save it. Okay, and then we're gonna go back here, refresh it. Okay, so when we refresh that, take a look. Oh, what happened? We did something happened. So we're gonna fix it. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see here. We can put, let's say, contact. That's email example, and then we're gonna put address, enter. So we're just gonna cut everything. Okay, cut this. We're gonna put it right here. Okay, like that. So at the beginning, when I start writing it about the address, so the first thing you can do to make life easier, you can just, at the beginning when I start, okay, the first thing you should just do to make life easier, you just tap it. You tap this address. Okay, you tap like this, and then you bring like this, and then you start typing let's say paragraph in the middle here, enter, and then after that we type like let's put like this, let's type A, okay, and then enter right there, right? Let's see, I type, for example, Temo, let's see, Temo Pindi, let's see, at mail.com, and I come here, contact us, okay, and then here I type another P, enter, and then I type let's say 336 John Street North, let's see, Calgary. All right, and then save it, and we go here. Okay, refresh it. Okay, so we have the email address here, and we got the street name. So when you click here, it's gonna bring you to the email. Okay, so this is your email. Okay, so I mean, in case you put your email address. So in case you wanna see, right click here, you go here, and it's right here. This is the one. Okay, or if I want, I can change it. So for example, I can put a contact, or let's say email me, something like this, email me. Okay, or email us, it's good enough. Okay, email me, or you can change it, email us. Okay, save it, you go there, refresh, email us, and then the address is right there. Okay, so now we're gonna look at how to use how to change your context in case you wanna delete something. Let's say the price was up, you wanna change it, or you wanna change some stuff around. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, so So here I just put some text here. Okay, so let's see. We have let's see. Okay, we're gonna save it, and we're gonna come here, refresh. You're gonna see the text is here. Nothing really changed. So what we're gonna do here, we gonna type right here P paragraph, enter, and then we gonna, let's see, we're gonna get this, cut it, and then inside. Okay, and then save, and come here, refresh. Nothing will, you see, we have here, okay, Moses, Peter, Paul, demon. Okay, Moses, Peter, Paul, and the demon. So when we go back, we're gonna do some changing here. Let's see, we're gonna type let's see let's see. Oh, what I can do, I can just rid of this one. I'm just gonna cut this, cut it, and paste it right there, and then and save it. We're gonna go here, refresh. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. We're gonna type right there. Okay, so we're gonna type D for that, delete, enter, and we're gonna get this horse, this one. Okay, cut it, and we're gonna paste it right here inside. Okay, and then we gonna fix this. Okay, and then we're gonna come let's see here, we're gonna type in, see that one, ins, enter. We're just gonna cut this and paste it right here. Okay, and then we're gonna save it, and we're gonna go right here, and then we're gonna refresh it. You see the way it's look like? It was the first best idea Sowata had ever had. Okay, okay, now we're gonna work on the price. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna type a paragraph. We're gonna type 3 paragraph. Okay, P, enter, and then we're just gonna cut this. Okay, we're gonna paste it right there, and let's see, we're gonna type another P, enter. We're gonna cut this. Okay, cut it, put there inside. We're gonna type another P, enter. We're gonna cut it right there inside. Okay, and we're gonna save it. We're gonna come here, refresh. This is the one. Okay, that's how they look like. Okay, now we're not done yet. This is how it look like, but we want to show the price that would, you see this price, we want to make sure that this price is changed to this. But how do we do it? So you're gonna come right here. Okay, you're gonna come right here, you're gonna type S. Okay, and then enter. It's right there, right? We're gonna get this, we're gonna copy it, cut it, we're gonna paste it right there in the middle, and save it, and we're gonna go there. You see the way they look? Refresh it. This is what we want. We want the price to show this price is wrong, and then this is the right one. It was like this, but now it's this price. Okay, so I want you guys to see how the stuff look like. Okay, so if you wanna see the code, you go here, and then this is how we do it. But you wanna make them look clean. The way they look like kind of messed up. You have to make them look clean. When you code, you wanna sure that your code are clean, not like this, right? So we're gonna go step by step. Okay, so we go here and refresh. Okay, this is our text. In case you want to change this a little bit to look a little bit small, like that. Okay, if you wanna, there's another way you can do it, not like this, but we're gonna go step by step. Okay, because you are a beginner. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. In case you don't understand, please email me or contact me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.